Hello everyone, this is the birdhouse that I usually take beam shots. Okay, I'm here for flashlight comparisons. I just want to show you behind the scene. Okay, this is my motorcycle and this is the river. It is called Moon River. I live in Thailand, Ubon Ratchathani. Okay, I'm gonna show you the way that I'm gonna show you the road here, how hard it's when I want to come here. Okay, now I'm going back home. This is my flashlight, okay, that I usually use on my motorcycle. My motorcycle light is bad. Okay, okay, let's see. Oh, it's muddy. Very muddy. I have to go to 3 different places to take review. Okay, this is one of the places that I usually come. Here, this place I think I can shoot at the range of 300 meters or about 400 meters. It's very muddy here. Okay. Now when I look back, you see that the birdhouse there so far. This is about 300 meters now. Okay. Okay, let's go. Very muddy. Oh. I think this place will be flooded soon because of heavy rain, lots of water. Oh! Ah. See that? Very muddy. It's quite hard to go to this place at this time. Very muddy and slippery. Oh. Water. Oh. This place is about 6 kilometers from my house. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.